Today's project on this third gen Ram, this is an '09 Ram 3500, is to replace the fog lights. If you're like me, you've been driving around with a cracked fog light lens for a while, so I just haven't got to this, finally getting around to it. So I've bought a pair of replacements. The other side's not cracked, it is burned out, but I'm gonna replace a pair of them just so they're both nice and clear. The last time I replaced these was 11 years ago, so I've bought the same brand. What I have is these replacement fog lights from Depot. They are about 60 bucks a piece on partsavatar.ca. They're also on Amazon for, I think, about 80 bucks a piece. Canadian dollars, I'm talking. Part numbers here for the driver's side, 334-2009R-AC. And for the passenger side, it's L-AC, same part number. So let's get to work and put these on. You need to get at them on the ground, so I'm gonna jump on the creeper here, crawl under the truck. So first thing to do here, it's on the, just above the bumper here. So just, you need to pry this tab back here so you can disconnect your connector. Get that out of the way. Then all you're gonna do is you got 10 millimeter bolts here, 2 on this side, 1 on that side. Just got the fasteners out. Just need to spin this around a little bit. Take the short end out for it, the side of the 2 fasteners out first, and grab the new one. Got the new one. I'm gonna throw this long arm in first. Spin it around so the mounting ports are in place. I've got them to the point where they're just shy of tight, so I can move this around. So you just need to jump out in front of the truck just to make sure you got it in the position that you're happy with, and then tighten the fasteners down. I jumped out front. I'm happy with where they are, so I'm just going to tighten these down. No torque spec, just good and tight. So I have them tightened down, so all that's left is just to reconnect this connector here. So that's it. Just repeat the process on the passenger side and good to go. You got a new set of fog lights. Here's a quick look with the new one installed. And the passenger side is done as well. In an upcoming video, we're going to swap this bulb out with an LED version just to see how much brighter it is. And while we're at it, we're going to swap the headlight bulbs and the park turn signal bulb to some LED bulbs as well. So stay tuned for those videos. Anyway, thanks for watching.